import system library. We are importing system library, predefined library, and next creating a function with parameters graph and source, and we are assigning v is equal to length of graph, which indicates number of vertices, and we are again assigning a dist variable to the sys.max size. It indicates the distance of all vertices from the source initialized to infinity. Next, distance of source is equal to 0. Distance of source to itself is 0. Next, for in range, we are using for loop for the finding the vertices with the small distance and mark vertex as visited by with the array visited. Next, we are again using for loop with the range of v. Inside the for loop, we are using if statements to if conditional statements for the checking of neighbors are not visited or not, and if the short part is found, then condition becomes true, and if enters into the if condition, then it's update the distance. Then it will print as distance from the source. Next, for I in range v, we are using for loop for the printing shortest distance from the source. Next, function min distance, it is used for the utility function to find the vertex with the smallest distance. With this function, inside this function, we are assigning sys.max size and -1 to the min distance. Next, we are again using for loop for the purpose of finding the unvisited vertices with the small distances. Next, finally, we are returning the vertex with the minimum distance. And finally, graph has input adjacency matrix, which means we are giving the graph values, and then we are calling the function, main function, that will calls the function and execute the total code inside that will gives result for us.